Hey everyone, I just wanted to chat to you again this week's update of what's happening in the market. So there's three big things that have happened this week that have really helped perk up the housing market, which is amazing. So one is obviously the RBA has cut the cash rate by another 25 basis points. So there's been 2 cuts in 2 months, which is exceptional and has definitely helped. Number two, the passing of the government's income taxes through Parliament. They're actually now in effect right now. And they also applied back to the 2018 to 2019 financial year, which is awesome. The ATO's actually announced that they've had about 800,000 returns already lodged, which is huge for this time of the year. The third thing is, on Friday, APRA, the Australian Prudential Regulation Authority, announced that it would allow lenders to relax the serviceability threshold of loans. So they're no longer expecting the banks to ensure customers can still repay their loan at interest rate increase to at least 7%. Lenders can now set their own interest rate and set the cushion at 2.5% above whatever that home loan rate is, which is great. What does this mean for the market? So everything put together is definitely, what we're seeing is definitely creating a boost in confidence. Off the bat, the auction clearance rates down in Sydney have spiked, so they've gone up 6% from the previous week to 78%. So even though we're in Brisbane, Sydney's indicators and what's happening in their markets just show confidence around purchasing. However, I believe the biggest driver of price growth at the moment is going to come from the fact that the listing stock amounts are low at the moment. Plus, at the same time, all these policy changes in the buyer segments will all start to gain more confidence and we'll start to see them coming back into the market, which we are. Locally, there's been an increase for demand, so we're starting to see buyers compete a little more for the limited stock levels that are available at the moment. And that's where we're going to see some of the growth, definitely stabilisation, and start to see some growth upward again in the real estate pricing. The policy changes, interest rates, tax cuts, the APRA serviceability, all these things will help maintain the mid to long-term benefits within the real estate pricing market. This week we're going live again, Facebook, 3:30 to 4 o'clock. We're going to be talking about all things offers. How do we make an offer? What constitutes an offer? What should the agents be doing? All the things you've ever wanted to know about making offers. So tune in and we'll see you then.